If you're a gamer, listen up. This thing is going to change the way you control your games with your actual controllers here. So of course I've got the PS5 controller here. This will work with the PS4, and you also, from Control Freak, also have them for Xbox as well, which is nice. Now, what I'm talking about are extra little, basically will add your touch feel on those joysticks, because we all know, we've all been there, when you're playing sometimes, and depending on the game that you're playing, if it's a fast-paced game, sometimes you're gonna slip on it. Sometimes you're not gonna get, look at this, there's a lot of play here. It's not perfect for every style of game. Now, this is why you've got these dampening little add-ons here, and these add-ons, they're all different, by the way. All these different colors are different, meaning you actually will be able to install it. So I can actually go like this, grab that, go like that. And this, I kid you not, will actually, look at this already. See how that dampens instead of that movement right there? So that is fantastic, especially if you're like in a first-person shooter game, to be able to aim without aimlessly going all over the place on your screen. Very, very cool to have. Now, that is one part. The second part, and my favorite part, is this right here. Now you do have these two different heights right here, and you can actually use them on either or. I like to have the higher one right here because that's how I control my player, and this right here is how I control my, my vision or my shooting and all that stuff. So what you do, literally just go in and tap it in, and now it's on. Same thing with this one, just literally squeeze it in. Those little teeth will literally grab onto the joystick and you are good to go. Now look at this. Now we're talking serious business, and it feels super natural to the touch under your thumbs. I love all of the ridges, all of that texture right here. It's fantastic because you can feel exactly what you're doing. I think it's great. I've been using it, and I've been using another form of these on my other controller for, I'm saying now, maybe over a month. Playing all the time with them. It's super natural. It feels very, very comfortable. And it's also, and I've noticed, a lot less tiring than having my thumb directly on that rubber right here. I feel it's a little bit more natural to be on this kind of texture. So yeah, Control Freak, thanks a lot. Way to go.